Hi, I'm Matt, this is my brother Johnny, and we're from Brothers Make. Today we're looking at the Triton T2 pocket hole jig set.
Okay, so in the box you're going to find your double pocket hole jig, various pocket hole screws, you've got your wooden plugs, your drill bits, your collar and your hex key. And underneath you'll find your manual.
So each time you use the pocket hole jig, you're going to want to set this up depending on the material thickness that you're using. In our case, we're using 18mm or 3/4 of an inch material. So we're going to look at this black line just here, and we're going to move the jig on the magnetic base to match that scale.
Right, so you could just clamp the jig straight to the piece of work like that, but there is this handy little depth stop included. So all you have to do, flip it over, and you can hook it over the edge of the wood, and that will make sure you're drilling into the same place every time.
So the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set the depth collar on the drill bit so you're drilling at the right depth for the material that you're using. So the easiest way to do this is to partially slide the jig off the material, put the drill bit in place, and you're going to want to make sure that you're about 1 millimeter from the end of your material. Once you're there, you put the depth collar on, tighten it in place, and you're ready to go. Okay, so now the jig's all set up, it's just a case of clamping it to your table and drilling all the holes.
Alright, then it's just a case of clamping your work down and attaching it all together.
So to finish off your pocket hole project, you can use some of the plugs provided. You can pop a little bit of glue in these, glue them in place, and once they're sanded flush, that'll be a perfect surface for painting over. The ones that come in this kit are in pine, but you can also get them in oak if you wanted to finish off any hardwood projects.